guess what we have inside. Hey guys, we're here. It's Monday. We're at the place now. The lady friend we have, she has another house that we're gonna go look at. So we're waiting for her right now. Really nice house. Hopefully we'll find stuff. On eBay this weekend was pretty good. Last time I filmed it was like 18 items. Now it's 28. So we're gonna need to go and pack it. And also I think about what was it, 30 items, 34 items on Amazon Merchant Fulfilled. So we're gonna pick this house and then go and pack everything, and then we're gonna need to deal with the new warehouse that we move into. We're gonna need to talk to the guy and see how we're gonna logistically go through that. I don't know if she'll let us film in the house, but if not, we'll just show you what we got. So this is it for now. Hey guys, so we're in the office right now, just showing you what we got from that specific sourcing mini trip we did. So we got all of those games and some DVDs. We got Zelda for a Game Boy. I think that might be really good. We got a Wii but no cables. We got some controllers for the Wii, some what do you call it, like a PDA or something like that, a few iPods, a keyboard, and another pocket PC, and a camera, and a few books. This one is worth like 20 bucks, and the others are okayish, nothing crazy. So we paid 70 bucks for everything. Yeah, that was really quick. And here we got all the eBay items that are going out, and Amazon. Have almost 100 items going out this weekend. Also was pretty slow the second day. Like Sunday was pretty slow, but then it got a little better. 41 items on Amazon Merchant Fulfilled, and about 30 on eBay. So that's basically it. Now we're gonna go to the post office and drop everything off on the way home. Hey guys, so it's Wednesday. We got all of our Amazon orders ready. I have about 20, and all of eBay's orders also about 20. So I just want to show you, we showed you last time the animals that we sold. So now we sold also a few Hummels to the same guy. We sold those, hopefully you see that well, like angels, praying angels, and the last lambs that we had. So 4 of them and 4 other angels. We sold them all to the same guy. Also, what's interesting else? What else we sold here that's interesting? Another ink, and that's it, I think. And a Zelda game that we sold in a day, and another sports action figure from another auction. And on Amazon we sold DVDs and CDs, and we got the books ready to, I don't know if you can see that, the books ready to be shipped to Amazon. I'm just waiting for a few more online arbitrage items that are supposed to be here by next week, but I'll get everything ready to go by then. And the office is just a mess as we're trying to clear as much as possible before we move at the end of the month, hopefully. And that's it. Maybe tomorrow we'll go to source a little bit, but not so sure because we have a lot of stuff to deal with anyways. That's it. Again, a lot of noise. I don't know if you can see the trucks outside. Let me just show you. It's just hectic all the time. Yeah, so it's really hard to make any kind of videos. They have music also that can, it's not so good. So anyways, that's basically it. I'm probably gonna combine a few days in just one video to make it more interesting for the two of you that have been watching. So that's it for today. We're gonna go to the post office and drop everything there. I'm gonna print out the scan form for Amazon Merchant Fulfilled items. That's a form that you basically, it generates one barcode, and you can just scan that one barcode, and all the packages you printed, all the shipping labels you printed the day of the form will go into that barcode, and everything will be once the post office will scan this barcode, everything will be labeled as picked up by the courier. So that's what I'm going to do now. So we're in the office right now. It's already 2 o'clock Thursday. We packed all eBay orders and listing here, and just I was clearing as much as I could earlier, putting stuff away, and still have the books here ready to go. I organized all the online arbitrage items that were delivered a few days ago to go out to FBA next shipment that I'm probably gonna do. Probably gonna ship everything Monday. Hopefully I'll clear a lot of items here. I'm probably gonna have over a pallet to ship. We'll see how it goes. Just books, I have about 200 and something, and I have about 50 merchant fulfilled, and I'm gonna keep 2 merchant fulfilled. Very expensive books. I had a few textbooks that went for the prices are about 150 and above. And also we sold 20 how many items did we sell? Yeah, 20, 15, something like that. But here is the major sale. What's inside here? What we sold, it's 15 units online arbitrage. I bought it off of off of Amazon using my Keepa method of finding deals. So we paid 12. I'm not sure if it's 10 or 12 bucks each unit, and we sold it for 50 each. So in this instance we sold 15 units for 750 bucks. Going to Florida, shipping is gonna cost 20 and about 10 shipping. So we're gonna clear $10 on insurance. So this was a nice So this was a nice flip, and also I bought 25 units and I already sold 10, and now somebody bought just whatever was left, 15 units. So I'm gonna show you in the next few videos how I found this specific item and how I find, like on a regular basis, how I find good deals, because we've found a lot of really good items to flip, buying from Amazon and selling on Amazon. Those units were, if I didn't mention it, HP Inc. So I'm restricted on Amazon to sell those. So there's a lot of noise here. That's why I'm pausing the video every other second. So I just wanted to show you, we sold today also a bunch of Hummels from the same purchase. I think it's a little blurry, but another 4 Hummels, ranging from 12, 50, 17, and 27. All from the same box, with the camels and all the animals. They keep selling like crazy. I don't know what's going on. So yeah, we sold a few more items now, and I'm not packing Amazon today. I'll do that probably tomorrow. So we have everything ready to go. We're listing a few items on eBay. I listed more books and some online arbitrage stuff on Amazon today. Everything will go up Monday, hopefully. So I'm ready to head home, waiting for my wife to come. So we had an issue with the shipping. As I said before, he purchased 10 units and then another 5. So 2 different orders basically. They go to the same person, the same address, everything. For some reason, when you combine the shipping, when you combine the 2 orders, you can't ship them with FedEx. I just called eBay and you can't do that anymore. So shipping with FedEx was $20, and shipping with USPS, which is the only option, is almost $70 with all the signature confirmation and insurance, because this package is $750. So I wanted to get to be insured and to have a signature confirmation when he gets the item. So now I have to go through the FedEx.com and ship it and just add a number. And I have a lot of issues with that because I wanted to integrate my eBay account to FedEx, but I don't know. I think the customer service representative, he doesn't know what he's saying, because he just showed me all around FedEx.com and didn't give me like a solution. So I'm not integrated yet. So I probably just gonna create a shipment, insure it, and just add the tracking information on eBay, and that's it, because I don't want to pay $70 when I can pay 20 or 30, like less than half. So that's it for today. It's Thursday now, almost the whole week. It's really hard to do any kind of vlogging with. I don't know if you can hear it now. Also, you can hear the trucks. They're always doing something in the warehouse, so it's really crazy. I do have a lot of stuff to show, but it's really hard. I can't. They're always playing music or doing like a lot of noise, so I can't really film. So that's it basically for this week. I'll see what's going on tomorrow. Maybe we'll go sourcing a little bit. we'll see what's going to happen. So thank you guys for watching. If you like the video, please hit the like button and also subscribe. Thank you guys. See you soon.